Hey guys, so in this tutorial, okay, this is a new IT channel by the way, but I'm gonna teach you guys how to get into IT. Just get into IT, basically. I get into IT help desk, service desk, desktop support, whatever, right? And also show you guys that it's you don't necessarily need to have a tech background to get into tech. I mean, I had customer service experience and I still got into tech. I mean, I didn't know how to do some other stuff too. I ain't gonna lie to you, but you don't need that much technical stuff in order to get into IT like that. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, in this video, enough jibber jabber. Oh, sorry, wrong screen. In this video, I got Windows Server open, my virtual machine right here. You know, my learning environment, my test environment. You guys should have a test environment as well. Okay. All right. There you go. This is Windows Server. Okay. Now, I made a bunch of users on here as a test. I'm going to show you how to use bash scripting to automate this so that you can just have something like this. For example, this file, I just created a file. And then just basically, if I were to refresh this OU right here, I'll go refresh. You guys can see I already have it just generated accounts. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. Very simple to do. You don't need to be an IT genius. You don't even need to be that much of a technical person to even know that. Open up a new notepad. Let me close this. Don't save this. Open up a new notepad. I'm gonna edit this one because I wanna get the scripting right. So I'm gonna close this. Open up a new notepad, and then I'm gonna do um. I'm gonna paste it. So basically, this is the code right here that's gonna basically generate these accounts on its own. Now this is one account. I want like let's say like three, right? So you're just gonna copy this, paste it down below like this. Okay. Now let me break it down for you. CN basically means the username. OU is basically the OU unit, the organizational unit that it's in Active Directory. So this is the OU right here. Actually, if you right click on this, go on properties, attribute editor, make sure you got advanced features open right here. Um, on view advanced features, make sure that's enabled in order to open the attribute editor. And as you can see, this is the OU right here. You see this right here, IT department. So that's the OU that you're gonna use into this bash scripting right here. So the OU is actually IT space department, and the domain controller is econdetech.com. Right? So it kind of just splits it into two. So econde is the domain controller, and then basically com, which is .com. First name means first name, FN means first name, LN means last name. So Louis is first name, last name Suarez. Suarex. I'm not trying to get, banned out here. And then basically this right here is the user email right here. So louis.suarex at econitech.com. Password, PWD, password, right? And then must change password is basically just a condition that you gotta use. So yeah, they gotta have to change the password. That's basically what this is all about. Now let's say I wanted to create another user. I just edit this. This user is gonna be Leo Messi, right? And I'm gonna put him in the IT department. You could change this by the way. But in order to change this, you actually gotta create the OU on Active Directory, of course. And then yeah, and then I'll change his first name to Lionel, and his last name Messi with a Y, and then his UPN is going to be Lionel, dot messy. There you go. And then that's basically it. And you can change the password to whatever you want, but this is going to be changed anyway, so it doesn't even really matter. And then this right here. I mean, if you're in a real IT environment, obviously do not put password 123. Use a password generator or something. Especially if you're gonna be sending this to a user, then send it like have a complex password so that nobody's gonna remember it. Obviously, but for the sake of this video, it's a demo, so I'm not gonna do it. Right. So CN, we're gonna do um what's a good name? I don't know. I don't know. Jonathan Smith. Okay. Again, his first name is gonna be Jonathan. Last name is gonna be Smith. His username is going to be Jonathan Smith. I mean his email, and then that's basically it. Now, one note, I really just want to add this real quickly. Make sure that this part right here is all under quotations, and then make sure that these are not touching each other, like something like this, because that's not gonna work. And make sure that the UPN is not touching Jonathan Smith either, has a space, and it's not touching Smith either. Okay, so this all looks good. Ready to go, ready to jumble, ready to rumble. You feel me? So now I'm gonna save this as a bat file, which is bash. Right? So I'm gonna call this um users. Okay, I already got that. Whatever. Users one dot bat. We're gonna save that. Now I save this to the C drive. So it's right here. So all you gotta do is double click this and it's going to run. Now if you go back to Active Directory, click on Actions, refresh, you're gonna see that Jonathan Smith, Leo Messi, and Luis Suarez was created. It's as simple as that. Or what you can also do is you go on CMD, command prompt for those who don't know. You do CD backslash enter and then users one dot bat enter, and you can see that it's been successfully generated. Wow, magic. And then you go here, actions, refresh, and boom, they're right there. Tell me IT is difficult. I dare you. That's basically how you create an account by using Active Directory and using Bash scripting. And guess what? If you're looking for positions and out there, you can say, "Hey, I know how to do that. I know how to create accounts, active account provisioning." And guess what? You can you can really articulate this in the resume. Yeah, I use Bash scripting in order for account creations, provisioning, and stuff like that. Hey, leave a like. Let me know down below. I'm still gonna shoot some more content because I'm trying to help y'all. All right, take it easy. We out. Peace.